Okay, so what you're going to need is these mini bouquets from Michael's. You can try looking at Hobby Lobby too, but Michael's is where I found these. And it's near the fall section, so it's not going to be in the floral department. And so I just got 3 of each, so 3 white themed ones and then 3 fall themed ones. And I'm just showing you what different ones that I got. You can always mix and match or get multiples of the same ones if you want to, so I'm just going to show you the details of them. Some of them have sunflowers, some of them have little berries, or some of them have pine cones and little pumpkins like this one. And I thought this one was really cute with the white pumpkin on top and the berries on the side. And of course I had some greenery, and then for the fall colored ones I had some leaves. So it's going to add some filling to the bouquets. And these are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need a pretty vase, some scissors. You can use wire cutters if you want to cut down the stems, but I just kept the stems and fluffed them out because they're not going to be seen. And you'll also need some painter's tape or the fancy tape that you can also get at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So now that I have all of my items together, what I'm going to do first is remove all of the price tags off of these stems. And this is what you're going to need the scissors for. So you're just going to cut as close as possible and take all of the price tags off. So I'm just going to do that really quickly, and I'm going to do it on each bouquet. If you want it to show, then that's fine, but I like to remove it, and I'll keep these for seasons to come. And then you're also going to need the silver one. I just thought it was going to go better with the white. You could choose gold if that's more of your room theme. And once you're done cutting all the price tags off, what I'm doing is fluffing out the little mini bouquets so that they can have some substance to them. And then I'm going to kind of cross them and see what I like and how it looks. And so if something falls off, you can just put it to the side. And then I've grabbed another one and I'm cross inserting it as well just to see how it flows. And then what I'm going to do is switch the branches around and intermix all of them so that some green can go in the white bundle and then some white can go in the green, and just stuff like that, and spread out the white pumpkin and the berries just so that it looks like it's all intermixed and that it's supposed to go together. And once I mixed everything up and I like how it is, I'm going to place it in here. But before I do that completely, you're going to want to tape it so that it stays all together. And you're going to use blue painter's tape or the fancy tape that I mentioned earlier. So like I said, you're going to get your blue painter's tape or your fancy tape, whatever you choose. And you're just going to wrap the ends around it. You don't need to wrap it too much. I just got this piece of tape and wrapped it around the middle to where it wouldn't separate. And then after that, I'm going to just put it in the jar, fluff it out a little bit more, and then that's the end touch. And now I'm just going to do the same thing, but with my fall colored bouquet. So like I said, I'm just going to cut the tags off, and then I will follow every step that I did with the first bouquet with this one.